Okay, so I'm just gonna make a little video on some ways that you could find some other databases to find for your research. So if I go to the Smoky Hill High School webpage, I can click on library, and then let's see here. Click over here on databases and digital resources. And one place you can kind of look is just these general databases, like health is a pretty good one. Maybe history and government might be helpful. Maybe science and technology. But one thing I think would be helpful to us is under these web resources. There's a couple places I think would be most helpful. One is the Pew Research Center. So you can go in here and then you can just type in some search topics. Like you could type in, let's say, climate change. That's a topic that comes up often. And it will, at lightning speed, search. So it'll just give you like some articles you could look at, but you could also click poll questions about climate change. So I can type in climate change, and it should bring up some polling data on climate change. Oh, here it is down here. So you can sort of see what some of the polling data is around climate change. Okay, another place you could look is just USA.gov. This is just the United States government, federal government databases. So there's a bunch of stuff in here you could look through. And then maybe a third place might be like the Library of Congress or the National Center for Health Statistics. So I would kind of like hunt through some of the I do some searches through some of these because these are some pretty helpful databases. And the most important thing is they're very reliable. Like we can trust things coming from Pew Research Center. We can trust things coming from USA.gov. So the thing that's helpful about this is just getting you to some reliable sources of data.